Hello, my name is Benjamin Ostvold. I'm a professional ski jumper for the national team in Norway. And I've been using these two products for the last year throughout my pre-season and the hard training we do in the summer. And I have the results that I've gained for the last year using these has been crazy. And the test results shows that I have gained 20% and 25% higher results than previous, and this is crazy with how we train. Like, we are always pushing the limits with the training, and gaining this much percentages is absolutely crazy, and I'm 100% sure this is because of the beets and the greens that I can be able to achieve this.